MGS Performance, the hidden secret in Southern California. We're working on a 1983 Honda CB1100F. When we first got this bike in, it ran okay, but it had a seized piston on one side. If you know motorcycle guys out there or know anything about CB1100F, there's a little difficulty getting this case apart, and what happens is a lot of the bike builders out there tell you to scrap that case. Mike Stafford figured it out to where he got the pistons out of there, got the motor out there, and got it rebuilt. Now we're getting ready for Carnival of Speed out of Will Springs International Raceway, happening July 11th, with a big barbecue and drag racing that night. If you need any kind of custom work done, big or small, MGS Performance, there's the guys to come to. They work on Harley, Davidson, custom bikes. If you have a bike in your garage, hasn't run for a while, you're getting ready for summertime, bring it out to MGS Performance. They're located in Lancaster, California. Their phone number is 661-951-9878. You can check them out on Instagram or on Facebook. And one else thing about the CB1100F, check out this custom skid plate. Mike did all the work for Orange County Choppers. If you're not aware, Mike did the gas tank for the people that lost their lives during 9/11. The fire bike gas tank for Orange County Choppers. Mike at MGS Performance did that tank. He also does a lot of custom welding for your home or your business. Give us a call, 661-951-9878. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day, and God bless.